In a world where it feels like every company is dropping their version of a dock for our handheld PCs, I was skeptical at first when BenQ said that they are releasing a brand new docking solution. But spoiler alert, I think this is my new favorite docking solution for my Steam Deck. So without any further delay, let's get into mail time. It folds out and turns itself into a dock. This is amazing. I don't know why somebody hasn't already figured this out and made this. Oh, very nice. All right, first impressions. I love the way that this looks. It feels and looks so much more premium than most of the other options. And look at that. That is so cool. This makes this way better for travel. The way that this gets to tuck away in here and stay safe, you can just throw this into your bag, use it as a dongle, or pull that out and you're ready for docking. So it doesn't look like we have anything crazy going on around here. We've got our power in, HDMI 2.1, USB, Ethernet, and another USB. And then we got this nice little USB-C right here, and that's it. The little fold out, but then we gotta try pulling this out. Okay, that was nice. I wonder if this can be stored, because they made it, if you want to just plug it in like a dongle, you can do that. But if you want it for your Steam Deck, you can use that 90-degree angle and get a better angle for docking. But it would be nice if we could store this down here. Nice. It does. Love that. So with my case on, it's not fitting super amazing, but you could definitely still wiggle it in there, plug it in. This is great. I like this so much. If you want to use this just as a hub, it looks nice on my desk. Like I'll be able to use this with other computers and it won't look super weird. The dock is coming in at about $100, so it's not cheap, but honestly, it feels really quality. At this point, I've gone through enough of the cheaper docks that I'm ready to have some quality in my life. Also, having that faster charging ability and the HDMI 2.1 so that we can do 4K at 120 Hertz is wonderful. This is great to have, especially with the ROG Ally X. Being able to use this as a hub and a docking station is just so smart. First impressions of BenQ's dock slash mobile hub is like, why is this the first that we're seeing this? This is a very simple way to turn something into a dual purpose. It's just safer to travel this way. I feel much better about throwing this into my backpack than I do with all my other docking solutions, which are pretty cumbersome. I just like everything about this. It's also coming from a company that we already know about. I'm definitely gonna do some more testing on this, check out all the ports, make sure everything works really well. But for a first impression, this is honestly already my favorite dock. I'm gonna definitely stop using my other ones, and this will replace it. I mean, look at that. That's so nifty. It's so clean. It has all the ports I want. Nice tuck away. I mean, look at this. It just looks nice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are on the march to 10,000 subscribers. Leave a comment. Links below. Bye.